Are you ready to discover the secret weapon in the world of health and wellness? Moringa leaves are taking the fitness community by storm, but do they live up to the hype? Let's dive into the science-backed benefits and potential controversies surrounding this so-called miracle tree. From gut health to blood sugar control, the Moringa promise. Moringa leaves derived from the aptly named miracle tree have become a staple for health enthusiasts. And for good reason. Gastroenterologist Dr. Paul Manickam sheds light on their transformative properties, particularly for digestive health. But here's where it gets interesting. Moringa doesn't just soothe the stomach, it's a multitasker. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can repair the gut lining, neutralize stomach acid, and even aid in digestion. For those battling chronic acid reflux or GERD, Moringa could be a game changer. But is it too good to be true? We'll explore that later. Blood sugar regulation, a natural ally for diabetes? And this is the part most people miss, Moringa's potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that Moringa extracts may stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin function, and protect vital organs from diabetes-related damage. Could this be a natural complement to traditional diabetes management? The research is promising, but it's not without debate. Cancer prevention, fact or fiction? Here's where it gets controversial. Moringa contains niacinamide, a compound believed to inhibit cancer cell growth. Early studies hint at its potential to reduce the risk of colon cancer and other gastrointestinal issues. But while some hail it as a cancer-fighting powerhouse, others caution that more research is needed. Is Moringa the next big thing in cancer prevention, or are we jumping the gun? Beyond the hype, how to use Moringa safely. Moringa leaves are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them raw in salads, cooked in stir-fries, steeped as tea, or powdered in smoothies. Capsules are also available for those on the go, but beware, excessive consumption can lead to liver and kidney issues, and it may interact with medications like sitagliptin. Pregnant women in particular should avoid the bark, which can induce uterine contractions. Moderation is key, but how much is too much? That's a question worth discussing. The bottom line, myth or miracle? Moringa leaves offer a range of health benefits, from gut healing to potential cancer prevention. However, their effectiveness and safety depend on proper use and individual health conditions. As with any superfood, it's not a magic bullet. So here's the thought-provoking question. Is Moringa a must-have in your diet, or is its popularity overshadowing potential risks? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take.